Century is one of the largest RFID and EAS manufacturer in the world. With 20 years focus on reliable supply, superior quality, and sustainable innovation, we are proud to deliver products to over 300 partners from more than 70 countries around the world. Through continuous innovation, we meet the rapid changes in market demand with numerous novel products promptly. Benefit from experience accumulated in 10 years, antenna design and data collected from billions of RFID inlay manufactured. We are able to minimize the RFID performance difference between the theoretical simulation and the prototype. Investing continuously in technologies helps us to make many novel products. Especially when integrating our knowledge of EAS and RFID, we successfully bring inventory and loss prevention together. While emphasizing on R&D in product development, we also work hard to integrate innovations into manufacturing to ensure highly efficient, automatic, and flexible production. In our RFID bonding factory, a customized inline protocol test can be set up within 2 weeks. Many world-renowned RFID customers have already been benefited by this service, since multiple production processes can be converted into just one by testing several protocols at the same time. We have integrated automated optical inspection into our RFID bonding system, enabling more than 2 billion RFID inlays passing through our automated production line every year. In addition, we are also the first RFID company to add AOI system on the converting machine to monitor the conversion accuracy of RFID tags. We are dedicated to the automation of the production for better product quality, higher production rates, and better working environment. Numerous automated equipment were developed in recent years. High-precision assembly is realized by keeping a delicate balance between mechanical and optical positioning. RF and RFID characteristics are measured in the same process to save inspection time. We have placed a few key pillars on our way to build a smart factory where all the machines, people, and big data are integrated into a single, digitally connect ecosystem. Testing data management platform realizes intelligent data collection, real-time data analysis, and total quality management. Unique ID assigned to every package link the product with manufacturing process to ensure the full traceability. Key production and quality data can be accessed real-time on Digital Operations Management System. We will continue to pursue more technological innovations to better serve our customers.